I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. No, I am not Bing Crosby. I'm AccuWeather.com's Evan Myers. That's not Danny Kaye. That is Elliot Abrams. And Elliot, it's getting close to crunch time. Will there be a white Christmas in the East?
Well, first of all, my great gift right now will be the fact that I'm not going to sing to anyone.
Good.
And it's not going to be a white Christmas in the East. We don't see any storms coming. There could be a snow shower here and there, and some places downwind from the Great Lakes will see some small accumulations. There's a little patch of snow in the upper Great Lakes right now.
Well, wait a minute. Before anybody clicks off this video now that we've revealed the answer, let's just talk about what the weather's going to be like this weekend. This storm, you said no storms. This one's moving away very rapidly, racing away.
Right, snowed
There's
in
a
New
little
Hampshire
bit of
and
snow
Maine
there.
with this.
That's right. You mentioned the snow up here, but for the most part, it looks like tomorrow is going to be kind of chilly and dry. I guess there will be some snowflakes falling some places.
There can be a few flurries, but the basic theme is going to be the chilliness of the air and the dryness of it. It's going to feel cold, and the temperatures will be lower than they have been recently. They'll be higher than they have been at other times at this time of year. There won't be any records. Well, there will be some records. It may be the record for the driest weather across the country on a pre-Christmas day and Christmas Day ever experienced. Hardly anybody will have any precipitation.
If you follow that, well, wait a minute. You talked about temperatures, Elliot. I don't want to be rude and interrupt you, but here, look, it's chilly. It's not real cold, but it's chilly.
No, it is chilly.
Here's a 50-degree line, so look at all this part of the country over here. And then we look at tomorrow, actually, in the east. If you want to concentrate on this area, here's today. Here's tomorrow. It actually does get chillier, and by the time we get to Christmas Day, it is a brisk and cold day across the east, but all these things all add up to, as we said, it's a Christmas dream if you're expecting a white Christmas. Now, one thing I want to talk about tomorrow, there is going to be a weak storm. This is the one we talked about the last few days, but It is not going to do this. It's going to do this, and it's not going to be very strong.
Well, that's not necessarily the case. Some of the computer models last night actually said that the storm is going to be coming up the mid-Atlantic coast, but not till late Monday or Tuesday.
Well, what happens is, let's clarify that, Elliot. Hold on a minute. The first part of the storm looks like it comes this way, and some energy hangs back, and then that might come back later in the week, but it doesn't look like that's going to be, or early in the week, but Monday, Tuesday. But it doesn't look like it's going to be exceptionally strong.
No, it may not be exceptionally strong.
Thank you, Elliot. So, do you want to leave folks with a little bit of Christmas song before we tell everyone to have a great weekend?
No, however, just wanted to remind you that if you don't water your tree, it will experience hazardous thriving conditions. And if you water too much, there can be flooding in poor drainage areas. There's a sharp warning and pine needle advisory in effect, and a happiness alert for Sunday morning.
Have a great Christmas weekend.
That wraps it up.